Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
These include create a bait station to trap the rat without harming it and then release it safely away from your home. Use a traditional rat trap. Place peppermint oil, cayenne pepper, pepper and cloves around the home to keep them away. Sprinkle crushed pepper, or spray a pepper spray, near openings and holes. The 30th of August 2019.
Take our lead.
Onions. Another poisonous repellent against rats is onions. Just like the black pepper, its smell is very offensive to mice and rats that could lead them to death. All you need to do is slice onions and place it where mice and rats are found. 19 May 2019.
Take our lead.
Rat and mice poison, 1 part flour or sugar and 1 part baking soda. Do not have to use both sugar and flour, just one or the other mixed with baking soda. Mix together and put out for rodents. Safe if the kids or pets get into it but makes rodents' insides bubble up and explode.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 8 steps you can take to keep these rodents out of your home. Fill holes, cracks and gaps. Don't feed them. Remove their habitat. Trim trees, shrubs and limbs back 4 feet from your home. Set traps inside. Use baits and poisons outside. Check your neighborhood. Call the pros. The 25th of February 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There are 2 effective ways to drive rodents out of hiding, using food bais to attract them outside and utilizing repellents to force them out of the nest. If you choose to bait them, bait like peanut butter will attract them outside in no time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.